All right, I wanted to clarify a couple things on this before we get going on it. I know we landed on Naughty Alder clear glass, be 1/8 inch thick, 5 cabinets, 4 feet wide. In your return submittals, you had a wood frame here. Just clarifying wood frame around the glass and not a wood frame or face frame cabinet, because we can do this with a frameless construction style, so we won't see any wood seams between each cabinet. But these frames for the door will be thicker than standard 3/4 for strength and 3 inches wide, and a joint or a dowel at the joint. But all this would be flush on the same plane. Toe kick is flush, the fillers between the wall and the cabinets flush with the face of the door, and the soffit piece between the door here and the ceiling. It's all on the same plane. 24 deep, shelf pinholes all the way up and down for adjustability. As far as handles, I know we're doing satin nickel throughout. I'm wondering if we want to do an oil rub bronze handle, hinge, and lock instead of the satin nickel. That might look nice having that in there. Tune it up a little bit. But just going through some details, those details being making the toe kick flush, width of these doors. I'm assuming this is okay, but just flying it by you guys if you want to show this to the owner to make sure this is good with them, and then let me know about the color of the hardware if that's going to work. All right, thank you.